Introduction to differential equations as fast as possible. A differential equation is an equation with derivatives of any function. They can look like this. So you got the derivative of y is equal to y, or 2 times the second derivative of y, plus 3 times the first derivative of y is equal to 4y. Note, it does not have to be exactly this. It could be 4 times the second derivative, or 4 times the 10th derivative, or x times the nth derivative, plus etc, 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 all the way down. And this also does not have to be a function of y. It could also be a function of x, p, z, anything you want. Because writing things like this can get a bit messy, especially for a lot of them, you can do things in another form, such as having y dash referring to the first derivative, y double dash being the second, y n dashes to the nth derivative, for example. Now, a real life example of differential equations can be a water tank. So you have a water tank full of water and there's a tap with water coming out. So you got the rate of change of the water coming out is equal to a constant times by the height. So what that means is if the height of water is really high, there's more pressure pushing down, so the water coming out the tap, or the hole, is going to be a lot faster. The water level is low, less force pushing down, less water coming out. So the rate of water coming out is equal to a constant times by how high it is. Another example will be force equals mass times acceleration. This can also be written as force times by mass times by the rate of velocity over time, as dv by dt is equal to acceleration. Now that's it for the introduction. In the next video, I'll be explaining how to solve basic differential equations such as this one.